Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 virus and threat protection start actions fix. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Check Safe Boot. Open File Explorer. Click View, click Show, check Hidden Items. Open C Drive, Program Data, Microsoft, Windows Defender, Scans folder. Delete all folder and files except Cache Manager. Type msconfig, click System Configuration. Uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.